Record. In this video, I'm going to show how to install Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2022 using VirtualBox. Hi, I'm PL Tech, and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the browser and just type virtualbox.org. Press enter. It's going to bring you to this link, to this window. Just go ahead, click Windows. I'm not clicking it because I already downloaded, but you guys go ahead and download it. Make sure you save it. Moving on, we're just gonna go to Windows Evaluation. And this will open the Windows Server, which you'll be able to just go scroll down and just click to download the ISO. It's gonna open this window. Just gotta fill in your first name, your last name, email, and once you've done, just click download. Again, I have downloaded. So once you guys have done, click it and download it. Make sure you save it. So now we're just gonna go and create our Windows Server virtual machine. So just go ahead and open VirtualBox, and from here we're just going to click machine, click new. Let's name the virtual machine. Let's say server 2022. Let's go to the version. Make sure you guys choose Windows 22. Next, for the RAM, just got to make sure you have a minimal at least 8 gigs to be able to to create the machine. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. It's gonna go next. I'm gonna create the hard disk. Next, everything looks good, and I'm just gonna click finish. So just gonna finish up with the settings. Let's go ahead and click settings. This window will pop up. Let's go to storage, empty. Click the empty again, choose the disk file, and this is the file that we have downloaded for the server. Press OK, and we should be good to just click start. And the machine is powering up. So let me just share this with you guys. Okay, awesome. So now let's focus on the virtual machine. And from here, this whole process, it might take a few minutes, the whole installation, but yeah, let's go. Just click next, get this out of the way, and click install. So the setup is starting. We got a few more steps to go. It's gonna choose data center. This is the GUI. Next, let's go accept. This is just basically the license. You could go and read through it. Next, let's go custom. Let's go next. And the process of installing the machine, Windows Server, is just started. So this might take a few minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and come back when it's done. Okay, we just finishing up installing the server. So let's go ahead and click restart now. Again, this might take a few minutes. It all depends how fast your internet is. Okay, we are back with the now we just gotta customize the settings. Gonna ask you to type a password. Just go ahead and type in. the last settings. Okay, so we come up to, so it seems like we're all set with the Windows server. So in order to unlock this page, you could click it, but it's not going to do anything. So just go up to input, click input, go to keyboard, and then you'll find the insert. Just click it. And now it's just going to open the admin page. Go ahead, type in your password. And here we go. We should be all set. Just finalizing all the settings. We should be good to go. Okay, beautiful. All the installation for the Windows Server is completed. Now we're just gonna go and press yes for the network, and we're just gonna move on and install Active Directory in our Windows Server. Beautiful. As you guys see, the Server Manager window pop up. Scroll down, get the servers. Okay, from here, now we're just gonna add roles and features. Like I said, we're just gonna install our Active Directory. So you guys go ahead, add roles and features. Click next. Just make sure you guys select role based. Next. And this is our Windows Server. Next. Here, make sure you guys select Active Directory with domain services. Add features. Go next. Group policy management. Awesome. Next. And next. Okay, so now we go just gonna install it. So click install, and this might take a few minutes. Okay, so we have not completed the installation for Active Directory until we have to promote the server to a domain controller. So you guys go ahead and click it, and it's gonna pop up this window. From here, we just gotta add the new forest. You guys basically, choose whatever name you want to for your domain. I'm gonna name it my domain.com, and just go ahead and click next. Go and type our password. And just click next. We're not creating no DNS delegation, so just go ahead and next. And this is to verify if we got our name correct for our domain. Good. As you guys see, we got it. So let's go next. Okay. So this, I'm just going to keep it as it is and default. Go next. This, if you want to check the script, click next. And now it's just going to, basically, as it says up in here, prerequisites check. So this might take a few minutes. Okay, we are all set with the seems like the prerequisite checks passed. So let's go ahead and click install. And now this page will pop up again, and it's gonna just finish up with the installation. Okay, we've been successfully now we're about to be signed out. So don't worry about that, because it's gonna restart back on again. So at this point, really don't touch anything. Just let the machine boot it up by itself. There we go. We are all set with the installation of Active Directory. Now let's go up in here to unlock. Click input, keyboard, control, and let's go ahead and type in our password. The server manager window pops up, and we will click on the tools just to double check that the installation went through went through without any issues. Let me exit out. Let me go to tools. Yes, it's all good. So actually, let's just click for user and computers, and should open a window. It's still loading. Better try again. Here we are. So as you guys seen, this is the our domain that we just installed. And we got all the folders. One of the folders that we will be using for our second video will be how to add users. So we are all set with the. So just to recapitulate, we are all set with installing VirtualBox, downloading and installing Windows Server 2022, installing Active Directory, and with just a few steps, we just built our home lab. So I will be making a second video on how to add how to create and add users to Active Directory. But thank you for watching, and see you soon.